Yeah. Good. I think you can, yes.
A very basic maybe question that when one is absolutely unaware about the research domain literature, for example research papers, and so one is not really as aware about how to go about reading them and classify them. As like you are now as an experience, you are saying if you want to read a culture, then these are the gods and goddesses, it is expected that you should have read it. And when one go to a very different type of a subject, one really comes with a interdisciplinary domain combinations. Many a times with JSTOS and few sites which I know provides the classifications of author-wise, year-wise, and subject-wise. But again, in those subjects which are the gods and goddesses, how to identify that? Like for example, I gone to a person to means it should not be random. I think it should be time stipulated. Otherwise, people like us really get tense what to read in a focused manner, and whether that will be validated in the end or not, whether I am reading really a god or not, because these can be contradictory also, no? As you said, although somebody has made a statement, you can go contradict to that. So it's very difficult for one to understand how. Like when you go, for example, psychology is a big domain. Then somebody said, yeah, you must read Piaget because if you use his name, he's like a god. So people will listen to you carefully. Likewise, I need to have, then I've gone to maybe a psychology students to understand, give me 10 names, that to whom I should at least refer.
Sure.
And then see whether something is useful or not. That's a different issue. So, but then how one makes a decision, or how such kind of a classification, or how those stars are marked in that drop list. I don't know whether it's a small thing, but in this
It's not small at all.
Facility, this web browsing, specialized these sites doesn't have. They say you type your subject, but then that subject is understood by machine in its own way. For example, if you say writing, for that matter, then writing is a whole activity, like then you find yourself somewhere in a graphic medium. So the words and really means personally it's creating problem for me to what to read and stipulate it, and because of the time pressure.
Yes.
So can you throw some light about, or can experienced people can take an effort to say these are the, in designers generally refer to these domains, so these are the stars, you must go through them, whether randomly or in detail or something. It will be very helpful for us for referencing point.
Yes.
I think the first step to that is keywords, जो abstract के बाद आता है. So essentially, most people find papers by using keywords. And what would happen is, if first when I started, like for example, I did not show